In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on your Wix site. This simple interaction makes your images feel more dynamic and can draw attention to products, portfolios, or any visual you want people to notice. We'll keep it quick and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so your image looks great when it zooms. Start in the Wix editor. From the left-hand panel, click Add, the plus icon, then choose Image and insert the image you want to use. You can pick from Wix's media, your uploads, or free stock options. Choose a high-quality image that still loads fast. Zooming naturally magnifies details, so a crisp photo will look more professional. If your image will sit inside a small container, consider its aspect ratio so the important part of the photo remains centered when it enlarges. Avoid overly narrow crops that might cut off key elements during the zoom. Once the image is on your page, click it to select it. You'll see the contextual toolbar or a panel on the right. Click Settings and look for hover effects, sometimes labeled hover interactions depending on the editor version you're using. This is where Wix groups all the on-hover behaviors, so if you don't see it right away, scan the tabs in the settings panel. Selecting the image first is important. Hover controls are specific to the element you've selected, not the entire page. Inside hover effects, choose the zoom effect from the available options. The zoom effect subtly scales your image larger when a visitor hovers over it, creating a clean, modern feel without distracting motion. If your version of Wix offers intensity or speed adjustments within this effect, pick a gentle scale and a smooth transition so the animation feels intentional rather than jarring. Keep an eye on the image frame as you enable zoom. If part of the image is getting cropped when it grows, adjust the image's size or reposition it so the key subject stays visible during the hover. Many designs look best when the image is set to fit the container rather than stretch, preserving proportions and reducing distortion as it scales. That's all there is to it. You've placed your image, opened its settings, and applied the zoom hover effect. As you move your cursor over the image in the editor, you should see it elegantly enlarge and settle back when the cursor leaves. Note that hover effects are designed for mouse interactions, so on touch devices they won't behave the same way. Keep that in mind as you plan your mobile layout and choose images that communicate well even without hover.